Hello to you our fans. While still on electrical clauses, let us explore the following. We saw that the electrical clause A, in some cases excludes the machine or electrical appliance from which the electrical fire originated, from compensation. The question someone would ask is, why is this particular machine excluded from compensation yet other items damaged by the same fire are being paid? The answer lies with the insurance company, but let's indulge for a moment and look at various possible reasons for the exclusions. Some of the reasons or all of the reasons could be correct. Identify which ones are correct and let's discuss. Number 1. If an electronic item or equipment malfunctions, resulting in fire damage, the liability falls with the manufacturer of that item, and therefore insurance companies would not want to pay for the manufacturer's faults. Number 2. If the malfunction is, as a result of poor installation, the person to compensate is the contractor, and as such, the insurance company expects that the policyholder will follow us with the contractor for compensation since their faulty installation caused the damage either directly or indirectly. Scenario number 3. Where the damage is as a result of excessive power inflow causing a power surge, the power utility company may be adjudged to be liable for the damage and therefore they are the right people from whom you can seek compensation. Scenario 4. If the damage is caused by lack of or poor maintenance of either the equipment or the electrical systems leading to the equipment, then the damage is directly attributable to the policyholder's omissions and therefore the insurance company will not pay. The policy states that the policyholder ought to take various measures to minimize risks including maintenance of the electrical equipment of electrical systems. There you go. 4 possible reasons why insurers choose to insert an electrical clause into your policy. Which ones are correct? Let's discuss this in our comments section below. We will resume with more videos on clauses later in the week.